Bharat hakotoni mantri bokrok Narendra Modi te Bangladesh ni mantri bokrok Sekhhasina kaini hakotor kuthalayai Srangshala railway te power sector project no phiyogoi rikha video conference ni Bisingtui Srangshala phungni damchisa jorao video conference bai khlaiye kaitham samung butang no phiyogoi rejakha a kaitham samung butang wngkha akhora Agartala cross border railway Thanglaisu ni lama Khulna Mongla port rail line te Rambal Moitri super thermal power plant unit 2 abahi kaini hakotoni halok kaham naite Tripura hastini lukurok baniya khlainai rok kaham shep shap thinang hamari phainai hini saka mantra okra Dr. Manik Saha.
Cross border high-speed diesel pipeline constructed between the two countries was inaugurated. In a way, the energy security of Bangladesh has got a boost due to our cooperation. Let's talk about the energy sector. Bangladesh has moved towards self-reliance. Not only this year, a consensus has been reached between India, Bangladesh and Nepal regarding some regional connectivity for exchange of electricity. Friends, our approach of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, that is everyone's support and everyone's development, has been considered relevant by us even for our nearest neighborhood friendly country, Bangladesh. We feel proud of the fact that Bangladesh is our biggest development partner. During the last 9 years, approximately $10 billion assistance is being given for development of various sectors. The list of our achievement is so large that it will take a full day to explain the same. The decisions regarding the 3 projects today that we have taken, there is another special thing of today's program. The decisions regarding the 3 projects that we have inaugurated today was taken by us, and we are very fortunate that we are dedicating them to the people. My friends, I express my gratitude towards Prime Minister Sekhhasina ji for the success of our joint endeavor. A few weeks back, she participated as a special guest in G20, and for this I express my gratitude towards her, and for this I am very thankful to Sheikh Hasina ji from the core of my heart. Excellency, India will extend its full support to take forward your Smart Bangladesh work. India will give its utmost cooperation. I am very glad that India is extending cooperation in building 12 IT parks in 12 districts of Bangladesh. A consensus has been reached in the fintech area to connect the payment gateways of the 2 countries. I am fully confident that with our shared efforts, the Sonar Bangladesh vision of Bangabandhu will be fulfilled. Once again, I thank you very much for participating in this event. I thank